Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super useful trick, how to add a realistic shadow to images using Canva. This is perfect if you want your photos or designs to really pop and look more professional, even if you're just starting out with Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your images that extra bit of dimension using a simple shadow effect, and trust me, it's way easier than you might think. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva's website. If you're not logged in already, just log into your account or create one, it's quick and free. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, look for the big Create button usually found in the upper right corner. Give that a click. Think of this as your starting point for any design, just like opening a fresh canvas before you start painting. Now, from the menu that pops up, choose the Photo Editor option. This is where we'll work some magic. Even if you're used to working with templates or social media posts, Photo Editor gives you a blank slate, ideal for editing just one image at a time. Next, let's add the photo you want to work with. Click over to the Elements tab on the side. Here you can search for images, upload your own, or choose from photos you've used before. Select the image you want and add it to your workspace. Now here, where the magic starts to happen, we're going to duplicate the photo. This is an important step. It's basically like making a carbon copy of your image so you can use one as the shadow and keep the other as your main photo. To duplicate, simply click on the photo and look for the little duplicate icon, usually resembling two overlapping squares. Give that a tap, and now you've got two identical images stacked on top of each other. Take one of the images, let's work with the duplicate and make it just a little bit bigger than the original. You can do this by dragging the corners outward. Just imagine you're creating a shadow that peeks out from underneath the main picture, so don't go too extreme. You want it just a tad larger for a natural effect. Now let's turn this bigger copy into a shadow. With that bigger photo selected, head over to the Edit options and look for something called Mono or Monochrome settings. What this does is remove the color, giving us a solid black or gray base that will look like a shadow under our original image. Don't worry if you don't find an exact mono button. I've seen it called different things like grayscale or black and white in some versions, but you just want that colorless look. Okay, time to soften the edges a bit. Real shadows are never perfectly crisp, so let's make ours look natural. Go to the Adjust tab and find the Blur setting. Slide it up until the shadow starts to look soft and hazy, not sharp. This part can take just a few seconds, and it's all about what looks good to you. A little patience here makes a big difference. The soft blur creates that realistic depth effect. Once you've got your shadow looking the way you like, we need to send it behind your main image. Right-click on the shadow layer and choose Send to Back. Now your original image sits on top and the shadow subtly shows from underneath, giving your photo that fantastic professional finish. And that's it, you've added a custom shadow to your image in Canva. Easy, right? Little touches like these can really elevate your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got questions or want to try this with a different effect? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy to follow Canva tutorials. Thanks for joining me and I'll see you in the next video.